Hi, welcome back to your lecturette videos. This video is about unity. By the end of this video, you should be able to answer the following questions. What does unity mean? Why is unity important? How does unity affect pre-writing? And how does unity affect revising? Let's look at what unity means. Well, the word unite means to come together for a specific purpose. And we already know that a paragraph is a collection of sentences about one main idea. Therefore, unity in writing means that every sentence in your paragraph works together to describe the main idea. Basically, unity means that everything is relevant to your topic sentence. So why is unity important? Well, when you're writing, you are guiding the reader to your main point. It's kind of like follow the leader, and you as the writer, you are the leader. You want to guide your reader to your main point so that they completely understand what you're saying. But if not everything's relevant, it's kind of like you're going off in another direction, and this can confuse your reader. So now that we know what unity is and why it's important in writing, let's look at how it affects the writing process. When you pre-write, you generate ideas before you write. And we also know that when you draft, you write those ideas in sentences and paragraphs. But to help make the writing process easier for you and to help you have less revising to do later, we sort of need a step in the middle. And we're going to call that the pre-writing check. After you pre-write, you should check your pre-writing for unity before you begin drafting, and this will just save you some time later. So let's look at an example of a pre-writing. This is a brainstormed list on the topic of the benefits of going to college. And this list includes the following ideas: get an education, get a better job, make more money, take out student loan, meet new people, have new experiences, and set an example for my kids. Now remember, our topic is the benefits of going to college. Is there anything in this list that isn't directly related to that topic? What about taking out a student loan? Now in this list, it was written right after make more money. So probably the person who brainstormed this list was thinking about making more money, and then that made them think of the money they were spending on college, and then that made them think of a student loan. And while taking out a student loan is relevant to the college experience, it isn't relevant to the benefits of going to college because it's not a benefit. So we'll cross that off our list. Everything else in this brainstormed list is relevant to the topic for the benefits of going to college. When you revise, you also need to do a double check for unity. Remember, revising is checking over your content. It's making sure that everything you've written is relevant, complete, and easy to read. So we're going to look at a paragraph and see how we would revise it for unity. Here's our paragraph. There are many benefits to going to college, but perhaps the most important one is to increase your employability. That's our topic sentence. So as we read this paragraph, we need to make sure that every sentence in there is about how going to college can increase your employability. If something is not about increasing your employability, then this paragraph doesn't have unity, and that sentence doesn't belong in the paragraph. More and more jobs are requiring a college degree. That's the first main point of the paragraph, and that is directly related to college increasing your employability. Then the paragraph continues. Even if an employer doesn't require a degree, it gives you a leg up on the competition. If the job is between you and another candidate without a degree, the person with the degree is probably going to get the job. These sentences are more details about why having a college degree can help you get a job. These are also relevant to our topic sentence about college increasing your employability. Then we have our next main point. Having a degree shows that you are a hard worker who can finish something you start. That is something else that increases your employability, so that sentence is okay. And then our next main point is, it shows you have the resiliency and problem-solving skills to accomplish your goals. That also is relevant to the topic sentence, to the idea that going to college can increase your employability. Our paragraph continues, having a degree also proves that you are skilled in your area of expertise and are familiar with basic math and writing skills. Again, that is also relevant to our topic sentence. But our last sentence in the paragraph says, the time, money, and effort it takes to earn your degree will pay off when you get that job. Let's look at this sentence a little more closely. Is it really relevant to our topic sentence that there are many benefits to going to college, but perhaps the most important one is to increase your employability? Well, it does say that earning your degree will pay off when you get that job, so that's kind of relevant. But this sentence also talks about time, money, and effort. Well, the rest of this paragraph isn't about time, money, and effort. And time, money, and effort aren't really directly related to employability. So I would say that this sentence isn't really related to the topic sentence, and therefore we should get rid of it. Instead, we should revise the paragraph to replace this sentence with something like this. All of these qualities are a result of earning a college degree, and they will all make you a more desirable employee. Now this paragraph has unity because every sentence within the paragraph relates directly to the topic sentence.